Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, especially as we get older. Let's talk about leg cramps. These sudden involuntary muscle contractions can be incredibly painful and disruptive. They can strike anytime, whether you're in the middle of a deep sleep or just relaxing on the couch. And let's be honest, they're the worst. But especially for seniors, leg cramps can be a real pain, disrupting sleep and making everyday activities a challenge. Imagine waking up in the middle of the night with a sharp pain in your leg or struggling to walk because of a cramp. The good news is, you don't have to suffer. There are ways to prevent these cramps and keep them at bay. In this video, I'm sharing 9 delicious foods that can help prevent those pesky leg cramps so you can stay active and comfortable. These foods are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients that support muscle health and hydration. From bananas, which are rich in potassium, to spinach, loaded with magnesium, these foods can make a big difference. Staying hydrated is also crucial, so don't forget to drink plenty of water. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help you avoid those painful cramps and enjoy a more active, pain-free life. So let's get started and take a look at these amazing foods that can help you stay cramp-free. First up, we have a crowd favorite, bananas. These yellow wonders are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. We all know they're a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining proper heart function and regulating blood pressure. But did you know potassium plays a vital role in muscle function? It helps in the contraction and relaxation of muscles, making it crucial for anyone who wants to stay active and fit. When your electrolyte balance is off, you're more prone to cramps. Potassium helps maintain this balance, ensuring that your muscles work efficiently and without discomfort. Eating a banana a day can help keep those cramps at bay. It's a simple and tasty way to ensure you're getting enough potassium in your diet. Try them in your cereal, a smoothie, or even in baked goods like banana bread. The versatility of bananas makes them easy to incorporate into your daily meals, or just as a quick and easy snack. They're portable, don't require any preparation, and can be enjoyed on the go.
I started eating a banana every morning, and it's become a delightful part of my routine. Not only do they taste great, but they also give me a boost of energy to start my day. And I must say, my leg cramps have almost disappeared. It's amazing how such a small change can make such a big difference in my overall well-being. It's such a simple change with such a big impact. So, if you're looking for an easy way to improve your health, why not go bananas for potassium? Your body will thank you.
Next, we have a delicious and versatile option, sweet potatoes. These orange wonders are packed with magnesium, another key mineral for muscle function. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions, preventing those painful spasms. Roast them, bake them, or make them into fries. The possibilities are endless.
I love making sweet potato fries for dinner. They're tasty, and knowing they help with my leg cramps is just a bonus.
Let's talk avocados. This humble fruit is more than just a trendy toast topping. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can play a significant role in your overall health and well-being. This creamy fruit is packed with healthy fats, which are essential for maintaining good cholesterol levels and providing a steady source of energy. These fats are particularly beneficial for seniors, as they help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Additionally, avocados are a great source of potassium, a mineral that is crucial for muscle function and electrolyte balance. Potassium helps to regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions, making it an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy legs. Healthy fats are essential for overall muscle health, aiding in muscle repair and growth. They also help reduce inflammation, which can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from muscle pain or stiffness. While the potassium, as we know, helps keep those electrolytes in check, preventing muscle cramps and spasms. This is especially important for seniors who may be more prone to these issues. Add some avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or even smoothies for a creamy texture and a nutritional boost. The versatility of avocados makes them easy to incorporate into various meals. Or enjoy it as guacamole, a delicious and healthy dip that can be paired with vegetables, chips, or used as a spread on toast.
Avocados are fantastic because they not only taste great, but also support muscle health in multiple ways. Their rich nutrient profile makes them a superfood that can contribute to overall well-being. Incorporating them into your diet can make a noticeable difference in preventing leg cramps and improving muscle function. Regular consumption of avocados can help you stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up some avocados. Your legs will thank you for it.
Chapter 4.
Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Well, he was onto something. Spinach is an excellent source of both magnesium and calcium, a dynamic duo when it comes to preventing muscle cramps. Calcium is essential for muscle contractions, and magnesium helps those contractions happen smoothly. Add spinach to your smoothies, salads, or sauté it as a side dish.
Chapter 5.
Staying hydrated is crucial for preventing muscle cramps, and what better way to do that than with juicy watermelon? Watermelon is not only incredibly hydrating, but also contains a good amount of potassium, making it a double whammy against those pesky cramps. Enjoy it as a refreshing snack or blend it into a delicious smoothie.
Chapter 6.
Let's move on to another great source of calcium, Greek yogurt. This creamy treat is packed with calcium and a good amount of magnesium, both essential for muscle health and preventing cramps. Enjoy it plain, add it to your smoothies, or top it with fruit and granola for a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack.
Chapter 7.
Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content, but did you know they're also a good source of potassium?
Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which is essential for healthy tendons and muscles.
And as we've learned, potassium is vital for maintaining electrolyte balance and preventing cramps.
Enjoy an orange as a snack, add it to your salads, or juice it up for a refreshing drink. Chapter 8.
Almonds are a nutritional powerhouse packed with healthy fats, fiber, and you guessed it, magnesium.
These crunchy nuts are one of the best sources of magnesium, making them an excellent choice for preventing muscle cramps.
Enjoy a handful as a snack, add them to your trail mix, or sprinkle them on your salads.
Chapter 9.
Last but not least, we have salmon.
This fatty fish is not only a great source of protein, but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium.
Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce muscle soreness, while magnesium, as we know, is essential for muscle function and preventing cramps.
Grill it, bake it, or pan-fry it. The choice is yours. Outro.
So there you have it. 9 delicious and easy ways to help prevent leg cramps.
Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet, along with staying hydrated and getting regular exercise, can make a world of difference.
As always, it's essential to talk to your doctor before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.
Here's to happy, cramp-free legs and a healthier, more comfortable you.